Hi Virgos, welcome to my channel Psychic Sun Tarot. My name is Jyoti and I will be doing your love reading. So we will see what's coming up for you Virgos. Now this is for all singles and people who are in relationship. I will start with people who are dating each other and then I'll proceed further for singles. Okay, so guys, as usual, this is your general reading. Please take what resonates and leave the rest. And if you are a cross watcher, do reverse the energy. So this is for all Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. So let's see what do we have for Virgos. Okay, Virgos, the High Priestess, let's see. I'm going to pull the cards and then start your reading. Okay, I get this. So the first card is Ace of Wands, Four of Cups and Queen of Swords. Let's see if we get this back. Virgos, I think Virgos, I feel that maybe your ex company is trying to approach you for a job. Yeah, I do see that. For some of you, I feel that your ex company is trying to approach you and they are giving you the profile or the job that you are doing with them. So they are trying to approach you. Somebody from your ex company is trying to approach you for a job, Virgos. That is one. For some of you, I feel that there is an ex coming back in your life, but it's not worth it. Okay, this is what I feel. It's not worth it. Four of Cups, Ace of Wands and the High Priestess. There is a new beginning. I do see some of you, there is a new beginning. Maybe some of you, you are in a relationship and it's very new. It's something that you may have met this person recently and you have started dating each other, and that is what I feel. We have the King of Swords. Alright, just a sec. We have the Seven of Pentacles. I feel that your partner takes you for granted, Virgo. You are in this relationship, but yeah, for some of you, I feel that your partner takes you for granted. Yeah, we have the Nine of Swords here with the Four of Swords, with the Five of Swords. Oh my God. I think this is a phase where Virgos, I think you guys are trying to know each other. You are trying to test your person, whether they are the right match for you or not. I do see that kind of energy. Some of you, you are confused, hurt, stressed over something. I feel that your partner takes you for granted, Virgos. Yeah, they take you for granted. And what is this? Two of Cups. Yeah, this person takes you for granted. They don't pay attention to you while you are with them. You may feel ignored. That is why, in spite of being there, you feel a sense of loneliness with this person. Now for some of you, I feel that now this is for very few of you. Okay, I would say just for very few, maybe 4 to 5 people. So please literally don't take it for yourself. Now this is for some of you. I feel that your person is from an LGBT community and they are hiding this from you. Now this is for very few of you, especially if you are a woman, so yeah, and that is why you feel ignored. You feel that this person is not paying attention to you, or they don't love you the way you expect them to, or they don't keep you as their priority. That kind of a relationship, and you're stressed over this. Yeah, you certainly are. Okay, we have the Ten of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune and the Eight of Swords. Just a sec, guys. I'll keep the cards properly so that you guys can see. Yeah. This person is also stressed. Virgo, the person that you are dealing with, they want to be with you, they are happy about it, but then there is something. Now, the thing is that this person is trying to be strong because they feel that, things are too new. This person is also stressed over you, Virgos. Okay, and they feel that you are not opening up to them. Some are holding back your emotions. You are not, you're very guarded, and that is what is bothering this person. We have the Queen of Pentacles, and I think still I don't see any negativity here. I don't see any negative cards for you, Virgos. I think this is just a phase which you both have to go through. You are holding on to your emotions, not being expressive. This person wants you to open up. This person wants to get married to you. This person is serious for you. In some cases, your person feels that you are hurting them. This person, I am speaking about what they feel. They feel that you hurt them, whereas it's not that you hurt them. You're just not sure about this person, or even if you are with this person, you're thinking whether are they the right person or not. So you're not too sure. So maybe in some cases you may be ignoring this person, and that is what is upsetting this person. That is what has hurt this person. That is what is bothering this person. Yeah, in some case it's not that you are trying to ignore them. It's just that maybe you're not happy with this person, or you're not too sure about this person, and because it's too new, and that is why you're being slow. You are being very guarded, you are being very slow, and this person feels that you may have hurt them, or you may have said something to this person, and this person may have taken this seriously to their heart. So that is something which is minor. So I don't see any major issues here, Virgos. Okay, what is this? Four of Pentacles. Yeah, I think this relationship has a strong potential to grow further. Okay, some of you are taking a break. You're focusing on your own self, meditating. You may have joined some yoga classes or fitness, connected to fitness, or you may be busy gardening or something like this. Yeah, focused on your own self, own inner healing. Some of you are healing internally. You've been hurt from your past relationship, so you are healing internally. That kind of an energy I feel here. Yeah, I do see that you're hoping for things to get better, hoping for things to be fine. I do see new chapter. Some of you may be going through a new chapter, a complete new chapter, or I told you this is a start. Some of you may have just entered in this relationship. This is quite new. Okay, but I feel that it is you, Virgos, who may have put your person in this energy where they are stressed over you. Okay, maybe you are holding on to your emotions, not talking. I do see that kind of an energy. All right, so I do see things are going to grow further, but I think this thing needs time. Okay, I feel that this relationship will take time to grow further. So I don't see any negativity here. It's just that you both will have to work together. Some of you, I feel that you may have recovered your money, or maybe somebody owed you something and this person has given you your money back. So you may have recovered your money. All right, yeah. I do see that some of you're not talking to your partner. Okay, it's you who is in this Four of Swords energy. You're not talking to them, or you're thinking a lot. So a lot of thought process that is in right now. You're being cold towards this person, and this person is crazy for you. Okay, this person, they are mad for you. they see future with you. They're being very strong. I think this is a person who pampers you a lot, Virgos. Okay, you are dealing with somebody who really pampers you a lot. This person loves you a lot. You could be dealing with the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, you know, or a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. This could be a Leo. And yeah, these signs are prominent here. A Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a Leo. You could be dealing with these sun signs. So let's see more. We will see your energy, Virgos. Let's pull up 2 more cards. Oh my god, Knight of Wands. Okay, and the Hermit. I told you, you guys are in this hermit mode, you know, a phase where you are introspecting and you're trying to seek answers. Yeah, you are in this phase where you're trying to seek answers from universe. It's like you're having 2 sides. Maybe you try to show people that, you know, you are very happy, you are in the best of phase, but at the same time, you know, you have a second side, Virgos, which is hidden from the outer world. And this side is where you are trying to be more spiritual, or you are learning spirituality as a subject. Some of you maybe you're focused on your inner healing, as I told you before. So that is what I see here. As far as the outcome of this relationship is concerned, yes, I think this person is very serious for you. This person is going to give you commitment, and things are going to grow between both of you. Okay, if you're married and you're wishing and hoping for things to get better, yes, I feel that things will get better between both of you. And yeah, that is it. Let's see if we have any advice for you. Let's see if we have any advice for you, Virgos. We'll see if we have any advice for you. Any advice for Virgos? Okay. Yeah, we have the 3 of Swords. I think you guys are stuck with someone from your past, Virgos. Yeah, you're healing and recovering. I do see recovery and healing for some of you. You're trying to heal your past hurt, past emotions. We have the 7 of Cups and 6 of Swords. Some of you have options, more than 2 options. So yeah, I do see more than 2 to 3 options for some of you. And I think that the message here that I feel, Virgos, the message is that move forward. Okay, don't stay stuck with the past hurt or the past pain that you have had in your heart or in the mind. I think something is affecting you badly. Okay, so get out of that emotions, move forward. Life is so beautiful. Move forward. We'll clarify the 6 of Swords. Let's see what is the 6 of Swords for. Some of you're focused on your goals, dreams. You have some big goals, okay? You really have some big goals. You're focused in achieving those dreams, etc., etc. You're moving away from all the drama that you have had in the past, moving away from all that didn't serve you, trying to heal. Let's see. We will clarify the 6 of Swords. Why is the 6 of Swords here, Virgos? Why is the Six of Swords? King of Pentacles. Yeah, you guys are moving towards stability, security, and I think I told you things are going to get better between both of you. Okay, this person is serious for you, Virgos. I do see confusion, but the confusion is at your end. Okay, maybe you are confused, you are not sure about this person, or you're so guarded because of the past pain, past hurt, that you're not ready to trust this person. That is what I feel in this reading. You're not willing to trust this person, you have doubts. Okay, but I do see that you're moving towards stability, moving towards commitment. Okay, I told you, now you could be, I think things are going to get between both of you. All right, so that is it for you, Virgos. If you like my reading, please like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate with you, and I'll proceed further with singles. Okay, so let's see what do we have in store for singles. Let's see what do we have in store for singles. We'll see what message do we have for singles. Okay, the first card is the Six of Coins. The second is 6 and 6, 6 of Swords, 6 of Coins. Can you imagine? We have got the 6 of Swords again. I told you, some of you, especially for singles, I feel that you're trying to move away from somebody who was keeping you in the dark. Okay, or you have already moved away from this person. Yeah, you have already moved away from a person who was keeping you in dark, or it was all talk. Okay, this person was all talks. You are moving away from someone. Singles, I feel that some of you may have walked out of a relationship recently. Okay, yeah, you're not happy in this relationship, or this person may have left you. It could be anything, but I do see you moving away from all the drama, etc, etc. Let's see. We have the Two of Coins. Some of you have options in your life. You have two options in your life and you're confused. Who do you go for? Oh my god, look at this. We have a 6, 6, 2 and 2. Confused over someone, singles. I think some of you have a choice between two people. You're confused. Who do you go forth with, or who is the right one for you? You're choosing, or you are in this process of shortlisting, or maybe you have more than two options also. You never know. Okay, maybe some of you have more than two options. So you're confused. Who do you choose and who do you go forward with? I do see that energy for you, singles. You're not willing to take any decision, confused. You have to take a decision, but you're trying to ignore it. Okay, you're choosing to stay single, or choosing to be in this energy because you're not sure. Let's see. I do see a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn who is coming towards you. Now you could be dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn single. We have a King of Wands. Yeah, you want this relationship to be, you're looking for somebody who is very compatible with you, Virgos. You're looking for compatibility, and that's your priority at this moment. I feel that you're looking for a person who is very compatible with you. Okay, you don't want to be with a person where you both don't match, or it's like you both are not on the same page. You don't want that kind of a person. You want somebody who is in the same page with you, somebody who matches you or matches your requirements, something that kinds, and that is why you are stuck. I do see that energy for you, singles. I do see that some of you may be hearing some news. Now this could be for career or something. You may get some news or communication from this person. Yeah, this could be career related, or maybe you're going to get an offer letter. Yeah. So I strongly see a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius and a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn coming towards you, Virgos. I saw it for people who already are in relationship also, and this has come again for you. So definitely you are dealing with a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So now the ball is in your court, Virgos, because it's you who have to take a decision. 10 of Swords. That is, I think you're very guarded. 10 of Swords. Yeah, you're very guarded. You have been hurt before. I told you we had this 3 of Swords. You have been hurt in the past and you don't want to take any hasty decisions. So you are taking your own sweet time and you are okay. You don't mind waiting for a while, but you don't want to hurt anybody else, and nor do you want to get into a wrong relationship, and that is why you are taking this time. Alright, so let's see what advice do we have for singles. We'll see if we have any advice for you singles. Let's see what advice do we have for you singles. Okay, Ace of Swords. I think you are thinking too much, Virgos. Yeah, Ace of Swords. So definitely you are thinking too much. Look at this. Is it a joke? 2 of Pentacles again. Some of you, who are still single and you don't have anybody in your life, I told you there's a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn coming your way. For the others of you, I feel that you are choosing to be single because you're confused over 2 people, and that is coming very strongly in this reading. Okay, you're confused and you don't know who to choose or who to go forth with, or confusion. All right, so a lot of thought process. You're stuck. You have been hurt in the past, you have been betrayed in the past, and you don't want to make a wrong decision this time. I see that kind of an energy. Wow, 4 of Rods, 3 of Pentacles. I think Virgos, this is a strong commitment. Okay, the choice is yours, but I do see a strong commitment coming your way, a very strong commitment. Okay, yeah. So let's see if we have any message for Virgos in general. Now this is for all people who are in relationship and people who are single. Now this is for both of you. Let's see what messages do we have for Virgos. So let's see what message do we have for Virgos. Now this is for all Virgos who are already in relationship and Virgos who are single. Let's see what messages pop out here. Let's see what message do we have for Virgos here. I don't think I have a message for you, Virgos. Look at this. I don't get any message for you. Strange. Any message for my Virgos, please? Any message for my Virgos, please? I don't get a message, guys. Okay, I'll choose some other deck then. Okay, let's see what message do we have. Oh my god, look at this. Ask your angels and big happy changes. Now these cards just had to pop out, Virgos. So definitely there's something you have been hoping and wishing for. Alright, so if you want something, just pray. That's the message here. Just pray, ask your angels, and some big happy changes are coming your way, Virgos. Okay, I didn't get a message before, but now when I have got it, the messages are so beautiful. So I'm happy for you guys, Virgos. Okay, some big happy changes, they're coming your way. And if you have anything or you want something, ask your angels, pray. Okay, that's the message. All right, so that is it, Virgos. I really hope you enjoyed my readings, and if you did, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate with you. and also you can stay in touch with me. My Facebook page and Instagram details, everything is mentioned below in the description box. All right, so if you have any query, you can write it to me there. And for personals, you can always visit my website and book your readings. All right, so that is it, Virgos. I really hope you enjoyed. I love you all, guys. You take care. Bye.